I've got a tasty chicken and mushroom pasta recipe for you, perfect for a family dinner. Find exact ingredients below. New viewers, please subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. In a hot pan, fry about 400 g of diced chicken fillet in oil. Season with your favorite spices. I use salt, pepper, and sweet paprika. At the end, add a tablespoon of flour and coat well. Once the chicken is browned, set it aside for a moment. In the same pan, fry onions until golden, then add sliced mushrooms. Cook until water evaporates. Season mushrooms with salt and pepper. Add sun-dried tomatoes. I use marinated ones. Then add 30% cream and some pasta water. Return the fried chicken to the pan. Finally, add a generous amount of chopped parsley and 250 g of cooked pasta. Mix well. Quick, delicious dinner ready. Find all recipes on my blog, link below. Thanks and take care.